Welcome to 7423 Rain Meadow Drive in Cypress, Texas. This gorgeous David Weekley Calhoun floor plan on a large corner lot in the much desired neighborhood of Westgate. This fabulous location offers walk to the neighborhood pool. Community amenities also include playground, splash pad, and exercise equipment. This very flexible floor plan with many options for room use. Features include a study, elegant formal dining or living, and a large family room open to the kitchen. Raised ceilings, decorator paint, tile floors in all living areas, and lots of natural light from scattered windows throughout. This beautiful master suite with decorator paint and decorative custom columns, large windows with 2-inch blinds, and a wonderful ensuite bath and large walk-in closet. The master bath has 2 sinks, an oversized jetted tub, and walk-in shower. The secondary bedrooms are spacious with large closets and easy access to a full bath. Huge fenced backyard with plenty of room for fun and games. Make a point to see this property today.